Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to take an in-depth look at one of the biggest financial institutions in the US, Bank of America. Whether you're a beginner looking to open your first account or an experienced investor, I'm going to break down the pros and cons of banking with Bank of America so you can decide if it's the right fit for you. So here's the plan for today. First, we'll go over the benefits of using Bank of America, followed by some of the drawbacks. And finally, I'll give my overall rating out of 10. Alright, let's dive into it. Advantages. First good point. Wide network of branches and ATMs. One of the biggest perks of Bank of America is its extensive network of over 4,000 branches and more than 16,000 ATMs across the U.S. This is great if you like having the option to visit a physical location for banking services. Plus, the ATMs are easy to find, especially if you live in or near urban areas. Whether you need to deposit cash, checks, or make a quick withdrawal, the convenience is a definite plus. Second good point. User-friendly mobile app and online banking. Bank of America's mobile app is widely regarded as one of the best in the industry. It's clean, easy to use, and packed with features like mobile check deposit, bill pay, and even a virtual assistant named Erica that can help you with your transactions. For tech-savvy customers or anyone who prefers digital banking, the app really stands out. You can manage almost all of your banking needs from the app without having to step into a branch. Third good point. Wide range of financial services. Bank of America isn't just for checking and savings accounts. They offer everything from home loans, credit cards, and auto loans to investment services through Merrill, their investment arm. This makes it a one-stop shop for many financial needs. If you're looking to keep all your financial products under one roof, this is a huge benefit. Fourth good point. Strong security features. Bank of America has robust security measures in place, from biometric logins on their app to fraud monitoring and alerts. They also offer zero liability for fraudulent transactions on debit and credit cards. For anyone concerned about safety, Bank of America's commitment to security can offer peace of mind. Disadvantages. First drawback. High fees on basic accounts. One of the most common complaints about Bank of America is the high fees, particularly on their basic checking and savings accounts. If you don't meet the minimum balance requirements or have direct deposits set up, you could be hit with monthly maintenance fees. These can add up over time and might make other banks, especially online banks, a more attractive option if you're fee-conscious. Second drawback. Low interest rates on savings accounts. Another downside is the low interest rates offered on savings accounts. Even compared to some other traditional banks, Bank of America's rates tend to be lower, which means your money isn't growing much by sitting in savings. For those looking to maximize their savings, online banks or credit unions may offer much higher rates. Third drawback. Limited customer service options outside of business hours. While Bank of America has a large branch network, their customer service hours can be limited, especially for those who need in-person help. If you rely on physical branches, it can be frustrating to work around their hours, and sometimes phone support isn't available as late as with some other banks. Fourth drawback. Overdraft fees can be steep. Bank of America charges high overdraft fees, and although they've recently made some efforts to reduce these fees, they can still catch you off guard. If you're someone who occasionally overdraws your account, these fees could end up costing you a significant amount over time. Final rating. So, after weighing the pros and cons, how does Bank of America stack up? Overall, I'd give Bank of America a solid 7.5 out of 10. Their wide reach, tech-savvy tools, and comprehensive range of services are definitely strengths, but the high fees and low interest rates on savings hold them back a bit. If you're looking for convenience and value tech features, Bank of America is a great choice. But if you want to avoid fees or get the best rates for your savings, there might be better options out there for you.